You can call your cousin and your brother too. Tell them bring that couch you sleep on through. I ain't mad, I'm just done playing fan. To a grown-ass boy who call himself a man. You talk big dreams, paint the sky so wide, but I'm not the net to catch your pride. Keep spinning webs, but they tear, they fall. Meanwhile, I'm building empires tall. You got ambition, yeah, I heard it before, but I can't build castles from your metaphor. You play them games like your console's broke, while I carry weight that make real queens choke. Your charm's like glitter, it shines then fades, while I pave roads from the plans I laid. You'll never find a throne just sitting still. So go ahead, chase that paper, pay your will. In every word you weave, I've seen the thread. Promises left hanging like a needle in my head. I don't want your stories, I'm done with hopes. I need action, not just your empty quotes. You got ambition, yeah, I heard it before, but I can't build castles from your metaphor. You play them games like your console's broke, while I carry weight that make real queens choke.
Wake up, lights on, camera in my face. Another video, feeling the pace. Click that record, let the story begin. From gaming nights to a weekend vlog scan. I got dreams in 4K, edit so smooth. Uploading moments, finding my groove. One click away from the whole world's view. Every like and sub, I'm thanking you. I love YouTube, it's my world, my stage. Every frame is fire, every word a page. From tutorials to tunes, I found my crew. Millions of stories and all of them true. I laugh, I learn, I chase what's new. And every day I say I love YouTube. Reacting to trends or unboxing the thrill. Behind the scenes or cinematic still. From cooking hacks to beats I drop, YouTube's the place where I never stop. From comments that cheer to edits I fight, I'm building a world with every bite. I love YouTube, it's my vibe, my light. Streaming my soul every day and night. From pranks to peace, it's all so true. This is my passion. passion. I love YouTube. From comments that never the dream, thumbnail ready, my life on stream. Shorts or long, I keep the flame, chasing my story, building a name. I love YouTube, hear my song, my say, creating my path in a digital way. From every post to every view, this is my love. I love YouTube. YouTube. I used to dream in silence, now I dream on screen. Turn my little hobby to a lifelong scene. Hit that record, let my passion flow. From 0 views to a viral glow. Woke up with an edit in my mind. Cut the noise, let the vision shine. I'm not chasing fame or gold above. I'm here cause YouTube is my love.